Hey there friends, I am so excited to introduce you to the April 2021 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. This is my first view of the kit. Let's take a look at it together. The first thing that jumps out at me is this pretty pink and teals. I love pink and teal together. So let's check out the die cuts first. So cool. You have, love this arrow journaling tag. This little seal says favorite photograph. That's really usable. Loving this. There's a tab, some more tabs down here. Capture and document. There's some labels. Love the geotag there. Let's go AM and PM, my favorite kind of day. A little camera, two little cameras on that sheet. So those are the die cuts this month. Then we have the 4x6 tags. Oh, and I see a camera and I'm so excited. I'm so excited about that, but let me get the 4x6s first. Oh my goodness. I just got very excited. I can't even move the tags here. Okay. So we have 3 4x6 tags. This teal lined. What I love about this one is it's kind of like a pattern paper, so you can use it to layer on top of, or you can use it for your journaling as well because you have those nice defined lines. This is such a pretty springy pattern. Love it. And then remember these special moments. So 3 of the 4x6 tags. Let's take a look at the 3x4s, which I'm super excited about now. This was so good, and once was enough. I love that. The camera. What a cool camera. That's really fun and graphic. And then you have that seal there again. Loved this day or not my day. That's a good one too. The story behind this photo. Just remember this too. You'll see that later. Grow and bloom. Some flowers. Yellow checks or pluses, sorry. A fun adventure. I love that one. Today. That font is really fun. Okay, that is definitely going to be my favorite tag of the entire kit. How cool is that? I love the ones that bring all the colors together. Blue with hearts. Oh, that's a fun one. Love that multicolor. It really goes with that one really well. Always have hope. That is a really cool tag. 3 hearts. Great for journaling there. Photograph details and that really pretty soft coral. Another yellow one. I'm seeing lots of yellow this month, which makes me really happy because it's one of my favorites to create with. And then there's that seal again, but in a pattern. I love it. And then a geotag there. So those are the tags and the die cuts in the kit this month. Okay, for the add-ons this month, we're starting out with these vacation details journaling tags. And I love these because these are, just neutral. They're ever so usable. If you want to dress them up, you could always put some washi tape here at the base. You could cover up favorite part with some pattern paper just to give it some color. But you get a set of 8 in this set. And just a really usable tag. If you love to travel, this is a great one. Next up, we have the April labels. Coordinate perfectly with the April kit. Look how great those go together. And they also have the geotag on there. So if you have put off recording a trip or a holiday, a vacation, this is definitely a great kit and add-on to check out this month. Next up, we have the springtime stickers. You have those really usable labels up here for adding the date, a word or phrase, or just layering. Then you have this really cute banner set there, as well as some phrases down here. I love the time for a picnic, taking the scenic route, the great outdoors. I was looking forward to this. So lots of great sayings on there. These are the cork hearts, and they're really cute because they have these little phrases in here. They're neutral, so they'll go with all the colors, and especially when you have a kit as colorful as this, it's great to have a good neutral in there. So you have this story, love you, this place, this. this moment, the best, lots of love, and right now. Okay, I'm really excited about the wood veneers this month, you guys, because they have this awesome one that says let's go. Has a little geotag down here, so you can add a phrase. You could write the place that you went. You could add you know, a little sticker in there, and it's just a really usable wood veneer set. I also love when they have these outline words. You can actually paint or color on the inside of that with a paint marker or something like that to make it really unique. Next up, we have the Smile wood veneers, and with this set you have a really cute smile cursive word. You have that awesome seal again. You have a frame and it says love this photograph, which I love that. You have these speech bubbles that say too cute, favorite, love this, and selfie, and you have 3 little cameras. So lots of cute little things to embellish with in this set. We also have an awesome stamp this month, you guys. It's called the Love This stamp. There's this story behind this photo phrase that we saw in the journaling tag. You have the photograph details at the top. You have some sayings. You have your seals here. This one says love this smile, and this one says favorite photograph. You have a date label. You have the geotag box. You have the heart box. And then you have the camera box. So lots of places here to add a few words in here. If you're not a big journaler, this is a great kind of size for you. These phrases also will fit in here. So that's a really, really cool stamp set to have this month. Okay, let's check out a few more really exciting products this month. These are the Smile die cuts. I'm just going to open this pack. This is the first time I'm opening it, so we can take a look at all the things at the same time. I already see these gorgeous colors that I love. Oh, that's his favorite photo. There's that frame, and I love how you get all these pieces together so you can use every single little bit of that. And that frame goes in this frame, this moment. There's a really great teal seal. You have a label here. There's another one. That is a really cool frame too. Love that. So fun. The camera. Life captured, smile. You have selfie, group selfie, say cheese. What's this one? Photo op. There's another label, 2 more. So you have those in multiple colors. Look at this one. This has a note section there down at the base. That's really fun. There's that cute camera again. I just love those. Here is an entire frame and all the pieces that go along with it, with the seals on the inside. Photo love. For the record, oh, this one's amazing because it has those multicolored stripes on it. That one says love this photograph. All those pieces come together too, so you're getting a ton of die cuts in one set. More cameras, awesome. Fun captured, big smiles for this. Family selfie. This one's super fun. I love that blue color too. Here's coral. There's another camera label. Let me try to get these turned over. Love these photos. Turn this guy over. Happiness captured. This one says happy. Oh, it's folded. So happy. It's so happy. Love this with a heart. Another camera and multicolored hearts. Wow, what an awesome die cut set this month, you guys. I can see using these to layer all the things. Next, we have the acetate heart stickers. So just like it says, acetate, totally clear, a great weight. Look at that. How awesome is that? Wow, I just love these. I'm really excited to use these, a brand new product for Elle Studio, and you get 2 sheets. You get a front and back of this rainbow of hearts. If you thought that acetate was awesome, check out this acetate Alphabet. How wonderful is that? So your teal that matches perfectly with the kit and the add-ons in an alphabet. You get tons of alphas here. There's 6 A's, there's 6 E's. Awesome, awesome alphabet set, and it's just the perfect size. That's probably just over an inch, but look at that. Clear, and you don't have to worry about what kind of adhesive to use behind them because they're already sticky. Last but not least, we have the Adventure Puffy label stickers. So this month is all about adventures and going, and this one, you could use this for your backyard or you could use it for a big trip. So you have Let's Go Outside. This was an adventure. I love that star. There's these down here, a heart. Here we go. This was good, out and about. The cursive ones say the best kind of day. Remember this moment. Filled with gratitude. My favorite kind of sights and sounds. So there's so many usable label stickers on here, no matter if you're traveling or if you're not. And I love the colors too. Great colors this month. Thank you so much for joining me today, friends, during our April reveal to check out the brand new April 2021 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. Remember, if you want to check out all of the products that I'm showing you in this video, click the down arrow to see the description of my video where you'll find everything you need there, including a link to starting a subscription. If you love Elle Studio products, you should definitely consider a subscription. It's a no hassle, cancel anytime subscription. You get special perks like getting your kit every month at $9.99. You get to bundle your shipping for a 24-hour period. You get special discounts and free digitals. So be sure to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you love creating with your April 2021 kit and add-ons. Happy creating!